natural light. It's hard to get that. But anyway, this is where the road ends on the eastbound side going north. Chances are most people in their lives won't even get to see this. So I'm trying to get as close as I can, but it's kind of risky because of the water jumping up here. Very nice. Alright, got my white balance fixed, so this looks a lot better. I really need to upgrade my camera to one that automatically focuses. There we go. Okay, like I said, this is the northeast end of Oahu. Right here's where the road ends. And it's a walking trail slash four-wheeling, I think. I saw somebody four-wheeling a little bit ago. So what are you guys fishing for?
Giant trevally.
Giant what?
Giant trevally.
Trevally?
Yeah.
What kind of fish is that?
We call it a lure. What is that scientific name for it?
What are you catching it with?
Real stock with a live bait.
Live bait? That's what I use back home, but I'm usually catching catfish or trying to get bass. Unsuccessfully most of the time. But I try. I try a lot harder than I probably should after all that loss. Is it a big fish, I'm assuming?
Smallest one they have right now is about 20 pounds.
20 pounds is the smallest? Oh my God.
The largest is about 400.
See, y'all gotta help each other out getting that in, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, baby. You're a sweet dog.
There's times a lot of people, they lose it. You know what I'm saying? Reels off, lines off of this reel, that kind of reel. Bigger reels, they'll take them out.
That's my YouTube channel. Yeah, I know. They won't give me a name it's crazy. YouTube pissing me off in that area. Thank you guys.
All right.
Ooh, here comes a big wave. Bam! Alright, I changed lenses so I can zoom a little bit more onto the waves and I don't get blasted by them. But I'm going to get pretty darn close. Mic, you could hear it crashing better. This camera without a external mic doesn't get much in good sound. Whoa, gets sharp right here. crabs up here and everything else, brought in by the high waves. Exposure down a little bit. Here it comes. Oh, here comes the big one. Okay, I guess they get bigger. Because it's wet all the way back here. Here comes another swell. Guys, this is amazing. Y'all have to figure out how to get here. Whoa. Okay, that's a big one. Whoa. Look at that. Gonna break from right to left. And there's people swimming in this, by the way. Look at that out there. Wow. We're about to have sundown here in a few minutes. Sun goes down pretty fast. Oh wow. Now, if you ever come down here to the beaches of Hawaii, Oahu, Hawaii, look for beach glass. It's pretty cool. You'll find more in some places, less in others, but it's pretty neat stuff. Put it in a glass and it looks great. Or put it on a necklace if it's big enough. Whoa! Ocean foam. Looks like I'm in a more dry spot. More of a dry spot. Apparently I talk a lot and I start to babble when I get nervous. And I have an expensive camera near huge ocean waves. So yes, I'm a little nervous. I don't have the money that Casey Neistat has. So I can't just walk to the nearest store and just buy another one on a whim. Wish I could, because I'd get an upgrade. Alright, looks like we're getting to where there's a little more life. There you go. Guessing that is a rockfish. I mean, I'm no expert or anything, but I think that's a rockfish. Okay. So in hopes of keeping this video from becoming too boring, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here, guys. But you have to check Oahu out. Look it up. There are videos coming from it all the time. and I will see you guys on another date. Mwah.